and I'm talking about how to prepare a low-calorie, delicious fruit salad. And once you have finished slicing both bananas, making sure that they're all bite-sized, then you're going to move on to the next fruit. The next fruit that you're going to slice up are the strawberries. And we want 2 cups of strawberries. So first of all, make sure that the end with the green is chopped off completely. You don't want anybody eating that. Then you can either chop your strawberries in half and in fourths, or you can take your strawberry and chop it sideways, just like you do the banana. So either way works fine, they're all bite-sized.